Oh my lord, this microphone is being temperamental today. Hi, gals and guys. This is Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com. And today, probably the most important video I've ever done. The most important unboxing and review ever. Not really. Hey, I was editing my current video here today, and look at this stuff here. Look at this stuff here I noticed. Those hairs. Guys and gals, when you get my age, hair grows everywhere. It grows all over the place. It falls out here, but it grows every place else. So the ears, the nose, and I do use little scissors to try to get those nose thingies out of there, but I haven't done it in a while, and I didn't do a good job. Look at that. That's disgusting. How I wonder I'm not getting any dates. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Don't worry about that. I'm going to review this product here, the Weed Whacker, and from Manscaped. I picked it up at Target, and hopefully I can get rid of those nasty ear hairs, those nasty nose hairs. And I've used Manscaped products before. I may have used Manscaped products before. I cannot acknowledge or deny that. No, I've used them before, and they work really good. It's a good company. Okay, guys and gals, probably an unusual video, just to the fact that this is a website training video, electronic media. I mean, this is electronic. It's got power, baby. It's got power, baby. So, I don't know. We'll fit it under my umbrella of My Media Helper. There's really no set things under the umbrella. It's just whatever I feel like posting. All right, let's see what's in this baby. Needs up to open it. Well, if I knew where my keys were. Oh, they're in my pocket. How the hell did they get in there? All right, so it's pretty simple. There we go. Pretty simple device. And I got enough cord for it. Alright, it comes with this nice little bag. And that's probably where the cord is. And let's see what we got in here. Yeah, another one of these. I'll add that to the collection. It's going to be a USB cord. It's in a little baggie. It's all about presentation. Oops, dropped something. I don't know, I guess that's to do that. I don't know. It's a little like a little brush. And then the USB cord to plug it in. It's actually a little charged. So I'm going to plug this in for a few minutes, and I got my trusty mirror here. Let's look what we got up there. Let's look at it. See, they're there. You see them? They're just dressed in there. All right, let's see if we can get rid of those suckers. And I'll look even more handsome than I do now. I'm not sure how that's even remotely possible, but we'll give it a shot. All right, so I charge this baby up, and just want to make sure you can see it. I know it's kind of disgusting, but I gotta show you that it works. All right, so there is hair. There's hair in that there nose. Set this here, and I got here my trusty mirror to see what I'm doing, and let's give it a go. Let's see what it does. So weird. All right, guys and gals, so let's see how we did here. Let's go up there and see what it is. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Looks so nice, so less hairy in there. All right, it worked pretty good. There's not a lot of power to it. I mean, there's enough power, obviously, to clean some stuff up, but I'm pretty happy with it overall. And
They make good products. I mean, I have this one as well. I've had this for a while. This Manscaped. It's supposed to be for your nether regions, like down there. But I'm not going to tell you if I use it down there. But I can tell you I do use it on my face, and it works wonders on your face. And if I do the trimming down there, I don't go and then go you. So don't worry about what I'm doing down there or here. Okay, just worry about my nose in this particular video, and yeah, this works pretty good. I'll use it, and I wish I had a little more power to it. But oh, another thing is, as far as the ears are concerned, I mean, you can put it in the ear. It doesn't get the. I mean, there's little hairs that grow out of here. Just grab onto them and pull those. That's not a big deal. And okay, guys and gals, I no longer look like a hobbit anymore. I got nice clean nose. I can go get the ladies now because they'll look up my nose and say, "Oh, you got beautiful up there nose. The nostrils are all clean." And I will thank you very much at this time. I will ask you to subscribe, like, or share this video, and please hit the bell if you could. Please help the channel. We are trying to grow and still trying to grow and still growing. Stuff like that. Okay, gals and guys, I thank you very much. I appreciate you as always, and I will talk to you later.